Hi guys, this is Jamila, and I want to give you all a quick intro on Upscale Queen. We are a custom clothing and accessories brand. We specialize in like t-shirts, we actually cut up t-shirts, we do handmade clutches, and a few more things as well. So please subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you how-to videos on how to actually cut up a t-shirt. We'll be hosting cut-up parties, we'll be going live, and we'll be doing a few more things too. So please subscribe. Check out our website, UPSCALEQUEEN.com. A lot of our products are listed out there for sale right now. And we look forward to, bringing you on some good things. And we appreciate you in advance for subscribing. And we will talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.